All right, so this is one of my most frequently asked questions, so I figured that I'll just run through the motions. Setting vRef in 2209 steppers, and this is mostly for like this will work for anything and any motor, but the values that I list in this are going to be for the 0.9 degree steppers that take 0.9 amps, the ones that Nikki recommends in the guides. So the trick about this is that the trim pot is live, so when you measure the voltage, I just put my negative terminal on the negative of this circle plug, and then I test this here. So this is at 675 because I actually just adjusted it. But what you do is you just read the first voltage, and then you stick the screwdriver on there and turn it just 1/8 of a turn at a time until you get it within the ballpark, and then it'll take just a tiny touch or two to get it to where you want it. And all you really do is, I use a 2mm flathead, even though the receptacle is a Phillips, because it fits better. So you just stick it right on this trim pot, you adjust it to wherever it needs to go. So this is 675. I usually set the x-axis for the 0.9 degree stepper with the 0.9 amps. It would be 0.45 volts for the x-axis and 0.65 volts for the y. And you know, you can also kind of do this by the seat of your pants, just by running it back and forth a little bit, and then you'll find a spot where it starts to work, and then you'll go a little more and then it'll stop, or it'll work better, and then you can adjust it up or down to the point where the motors get warm to the touch. That's their perfect their little sweet spot right there. And that's how you can do it with pretty much any motor, but setting the vRef with the multimeter, this one's 0.65 or 675, this one's at 4.45 volts, 0.448. And that's basically setting your vRef in a nutshell. It's just turning the trim pot back and forth until the voltage reads what you need it to. And for other motors that take other current, you can go by the seat of your pants method and test it till the motors get hot, or you can just literally look it up. And there's vRef calculators out there, just Google it, and then you'll input all the necessary data, and it'll tell you exactly what to put your vRef to. So that's it in a nutshell.